Rogers Xfinity stream getting stuck on the loading screen is a common issue caused by app glitches, device performance, or network problems. The app can freeze due to app glitches, device performance issues, or network problems that interrupt the loading process. The quickest fix is force stopping the app, which terminates all its processes. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, select Xfinity Stream, and choose Force Stop. On iOS, swipe up from the home screen to access the app switcher, then swipe up on the Xfinity Stream app to close it. Next, clear the app's cache, which removes temporary data that might be corrupted. You can find this option in the app's settings or your device's storage menu. Finally, reboot your device to clear RAM and refresh system resources. Simply restart your smartphone or TV to resolve temporary freezes. These steps resolve most temporary freezes by refreshing the app's state and freeing up resources. If these quick fixes do not solve the issue, it may be necessary to contact customer service, as automated diagnostics have been enhanced in 2025 to detect and resolve network-related causes remotely. The root causes of Rogers Xfinity Stream getting stuck on the loading screen often involve how the app manages its processes and data. Streaming apps rely on background processes for tasks like authentication and buffering, and errors in these can cause the app to freeze. Over time, the app's cache can become corrupted, leading to conflicts that prevent loading. This temporary data storage helps speed up performance but can accumulate bad data. A stable internet connection is crucial, requiring at least 10 Mbps for HD streaming. Poor connectivity or low device RAM can trigger loading loops. To minimize future problems, ensure your device meets the app's system requirements and maintain a stable internet connection. Regularly check for app updates, as Rogers releases them to address bugs and improve stability. For example, version 5.8 released in early 2025 included bug fixes for loading screen freezes, particularly on Android and iOS devices. Looking forward, expect improvements like AI-driven diagnostics and edge computing to reduce these issues. These advancements should make troubleshooting easier and improve overall app reliability.